In the heart of the Caribbean lies an island that has shaped global culture far beyond its shores. Jamaica, a name that echoes through history, with the rhythm of rebellion, resilience, and remarkable achievement. From the shadows of colonialism emerged Marcus Garvey,
whose powerful voice reached across oceans, inspiring millions to embrace their African heritage and stand tall with pride. His words would later kindle the flames of civil rights movements worldwide.
but Jamaica's spirit of resistance was born long before, in the mountains where Maroons, led by Queen Nanny, waged a guerrilla war against British forces. Her tactical genius and unwavering courage earned her place as the only female among Jamaica's national heroes.
Today we stand on the precipice of a new era. Jamaica is free.
But our journey has just begun. We must now show the world the true spirit of Jamaica.
Yet, it was through culture that Jamaica would truly announce itself to the world. From the townships of Kingston rose a sound that would revolutionize global music: reggae.
One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel all right.
Bob Marley emerged as its prophet, transforming local ska and rocksteady into a universal language of love, resistance, and redemption. His songs One Love and Redemption Song became anthems of hope across continents. Behind him, pioneers like Peter Tosh and Jimmy Cliff carried Jamaica's message to the four corners of the earth. In the Olympic arena, Jamaica's dominance would prove just as profound. Herb McKinley blazed the trail in the 1940s, but it was Usain Bolt who would become the face of global athletics. The world watched in awe as this son of Trelawney rewrote the record books, his signature lightning pose becoming an icon of excellence. Meanwhile, the island's women proved equally unstoppable. Merlene Ottey, Veronica Campbell, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price, Elaine Thompson-Hera turned Olympic tracks into Jamaica's golden stage. Their achievements transformed a small nation into a sprinting superpower. Through music, sport, and cultural innovation, Jamaica has wielded an influence that defies its size. From Grace Jones redefining fashion and music in the 1980s, Shabba Ranks' Buju Banton, Bounty Killer, Capleton, Terror Fabulous, Mad Cobra, General Degree, Capleton, Merciless, Supercat, Lady Saw, Ghost, and more impacted in 1990s. To modern dancehall artists shaping global pop, the island's creative force remains undiminished. Vybz Kartel ruled the mid-2000s, was instrumental to development of new wave of Jamaican artists. Today, Jamaica's legacy lives on in every reggae beat that moves a crowd, every sprint final that holds the world's attention, and every voice that speaks truth to power. This is more than an island's story. It's a testament to the impact a small nation can have when its people dare to dream beyond their shores, fueled by the undying mantra, out of many, one people.